We'd like to welcome you to the Center for Energy Technology, a facility renovated by Alagasco, an Energen company. This building celebrated its centennial in 2005. But to understand how far it's come, we'd like to start with a little bit about where it's been. In this valley, many years ago, a city sprang up around an industry that rendered the earth down to the very iron that would become the great unwavering lines of the railroads that passed through here. It was one of those, Seaboard Airline Railroad, that built its westernmost freight depot here, in this building you're in today. This was an open, drafty place where men worked in the stifling heat of summer and bundled against the bitter cold of winter. It was 1905, and this building was the end of the line. Now, it's just the beginning. Alagasco's Center for Energy Technology is a starting place, an inspirational debarkation point in the heart of downtown Birmingham, a spot on the landing platform of a common-sense movement toward the intelligent use of resources, energy independence, smartly designed buildings that use natural gas because it's efficient, abundant, and clean, and are built with the highest consideration for their occupants. This building serves as an excellent example of how natural gas is a vital part of a sustainable future. Take some time while you're here to wander around the space and explore the informational signs. This building has taught us a great deal. We hope it does the same for you. And if you're given the opportunity to visit our test kitchen, don't miss it. Equipped with state-of-the-art commercial kitchen equipment to allow manufacturers to easily rotate in and out different components for evaluation, and a system that allows users to measure energy consumption of each appliance. This high-tech space helps inspire people in that business to explore new equipment, new efficiencies, new ideas. While you're in here, you may feel a difference and not know why. Maybe the air feels cleaner. Maybe it's the daylight that pours in through the windows. Maybe it's the great glass walls that retract and disappear into closets. Or maybe it's just the simplicity of its design, the transparency of its elements, or the peace you feel in here on a quiet afternoon. What you may be feeling here is the ambience of a healthy building. We call them high-performance buildings. Maybe you've heard of LEED buildings. You may have even wondered what that meant. This is such a place. LEED offers a number of rating systems, you see, report cards that help us measure how a building performs. LEED lets us know how healthy our building is, how it will likely make people feel, how it will use resources. By LEED standards, the Center for Energy Technology gets high marks, thanks in no small measure to the advanced natural gas technology it employs. Things you can't see make all the difference in how it feels. There's the natural gas heat pump that captures and uses waste heat during the winter, and a control system governing the building so sophisticated it measures the amount of carbon dioxide exhaled by the occupants of the space and automatically exchanges the stale air inside with fresh air, which helps people in here feel refreshed. There's the natural gas fired desiccant dehumidifier that keeps humidity down around 50%, making the air feel clean and making it easier for us to cool the space, and hard, if not impossible, for molds and mildews to grow. And there's the high-efficiency boiler that boasts up to 99% thermal efficiency. There are the materials used to make this place beautiful that emit few, if any, volatile organic compounds, VOCs, that cause headaches and fatigue. This is what it means to be in a high-performance building. And there are other things you may not know about Alagasco's Center for Energy Technology as well. There's the natural gas-powered tankless water heaters that heat just the water you need, and just when you need it, saving considerable energy. The ultra-efficient occupant sensor control lights that use, on average, 15% less energy than the kinds you see in other places. Or the fact that 90% of the construction waste from renovating this place, 366 tons of it to be exact, was recycled or otherwise diverted from landfills. Or there's the fact that more than half of the wood products in here, from furnishings to construction materials, are from certified sustainable forests. Or that the bathrooms use much less water than most bathrooms do. Bottom line, this state-of-the-art building maximizes its use of resources and minimizes its effect on our environment. And we're not ashamed to point out that it does an excellent job of showing how natural gas is, well, quite honestly, the natural fuel for high-performance buildings. Thank you for being here. We hope you leave with something you may not have come here with. Hope for the future, an appreciation for natural gas, and ideas for ways to make your own space more efficient, more comfortable. We hope you leave inspired. Thank you.